Hey, what's going on, y'all? This is my channel. Tomorrow is lit to travel, where I take you around the world, different place, all off of points and miles. And if you like to travel, you're gonna love my channel. And if you have any place you like to go, you could drop it down below, and I'll take you there. Don't worry, man. I'm gonna show you how to fly for free, where you might just pay just the taxes. That's it. And it's points. Points take you a long way longer than cash will take you. I tell you that. So, if you like to learn about points or you like to travel, sit back and relax. You're gonna love my channel. So hit a subscribe. And today I'm gonna take you to Cancun, where it's always hot, lovely, beautiful women, beautiful beaches, beautiful weather. If you ever want to get away, quick getaway, I'm gonna show you where the best place to go, and this is the best place to go for a quick getaway for the low. So let me take you there. Just sit down, relax, and let's go. This is one of my favorite airlines to travel. It's One World Alliance, American Airlines. So first, we're gonna start off here, and we start in the NYC, New York. That's my local hub. If your hub is different, click there and put it there. And we're gonna do one ways. I always do one ways. If you know me, then you know I like to travel one ways just in case something happens, just in case some mistake go on. We're gonna be prepared for that. One ain't gonna delay the other, one ain't gonna mess up the other. But I'm gonna let you know. Cancun. Whew. Here's where we're gonna go. And make sure you always put on this button right here, because we always flying with miles. And I like to go, we go in the summertime, right before the beginning of the summertime. We're gonna go in May. Ooh. It's already showing something good. 20,000 miles, 31,000 if you want to do it like that. But this is why I like American Airlines so much. They show you all of the dates right here at the top. And they have this nifty button that filters. Boom. So it shows you the cheapest ones. They show you that it's 16 hours. If that's too long for you, then let's go on down. Let's check which one's a better rate. But you see that it is 10,000 miles just to get there. 10,000. Let's check out this calendar. They have a calendar. A calendar is an overall view of the whole entire month, of the whole entire year. You could click month by month, and we're gonna click it, see which one's cheapest. If you want to go on this date, boom, 10,000 points. Other than these other dates where you'll be saving, I could do a whole round trip. Round trip. You see that? Saving a lot of with this just by this looking at this calendar right here. Let's see if we can even save even more. Ooh, wow. Book your trip a month later if you got time. If that works better than a schedule, you could get this for 8,000 miles one way. Let's click it and see. Ooh, 8,000 miles, only $48. Ooh, that is nice. That is nice. And it's only 11 hours, one stop in Miami. Lovely. And if that sounds good to you, then book this trip right here. Now let's go over to Delta. Let's see what Delta got in lines for us. That's another airlines that I like to travel with and that I know. that will take you there on a direct flight. It is not comparable. Not comparable. Whew. If these numbers look good for you, you need to clear your eyes and take another look over there at American Airlines. Because this is not it. This is how you save. This is the right points, the right way to travel. This is it. Let me show you now how to book a hotel, how to find your stay. Me, I love Hyatt. Hyatt is always the best. They always got the prettiest, nicest, and you got globalist status, you get free breakfast. Get some free food. I like the word free. Let's check it out. Cancun, Mexico, and we gonna go Monday, July. We'll pick a day in July in the summer. Let's go. Let's see what it's looking like. The Dream Sand Cancun Resort and Spa, all inclusive. Lovely, right by the water. You see the view. And this is part of his dream resorts. And it's a category B. Lovely, lovely. If you got more points and you want to turn up a little bit more, and you could get this one. The Hyatt Ziva Cancun. You see it's right. You could see the water from the place. You can see the beach from the place. It's all. This is a lovely stay. If you got the time, you got the points, I would say take it and go. Lovely, lovely. Or if you want to save some points and you want to get something that's still close to the water, got a nice view, this one's good one too. The Hyatt Riviera, Cancun. Oh, there's a few choices you could take. This one looks like a good one too. The Dream Sapphire Resort. Oh my gosh. The view is beautiful. Take a dip in the pool and take a refreshing. Just take it, man, and enjoy yourself. If you like what you saw today, and give me a thumbs up. If you learned something new today, tell me what you learned. If you didn't like my video today, tell me you ain't like it. Let me know. Drop it down in the comment section below. But that's it for today. I showed you how to travel from New York all the way to Mexico City, and I showed you which is the cheapest way to travel there, all off of miles and points. And I also got you some nice hotel options for a good price with some good scenic water, good view. Man, and some good eats. If you got globalists, if you got status, we're gonna talk about that in another video where we're gonna talk about status and the perks of that. So if you like this, hit a like, hit a comment, hit a subscribe, and until next time, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.